Alright, I'm back with two more boxes of Bowman, 2020 Bowman. Go ahead and take the plastic off both of them. Alright, go ahead and get started with the left side. Alright, I'm not going to go through the names because we know Hunter Bishop, unless there's something that stands out. Jung Jarski. But that's not those years. Alright, this is backwards and autograph. Nice. Sam. I'm gonna just go with Sam because I don't know the last name. So that's pretty cool. From a blaster, I haven't had an autograph from a blaster in a long time. Alright, Helio insert. There we go. Got it. Jason Dominguez. Finally. Got one of his, so I'm going to put that with the autograph. That's probably worth, well, it's worth more than the autograph right now. Right. Pipeline of Toronto. Tavares and Adams. Gavin Lux, rookie. Alright, I don't know where it stopped at. I looked down and it was memory card was full. So anyway, I got Nick Lodolo. I'm not sure if that was shown. Jordan Alvarez and Pipeline of Toronto. And this is the last pack of the first box. Alright, Amaya, Huck, and Bart. I see something in green. Bobby Dolback. And a green. Joe Adele. 28 of 99. So not only did we get an autograph, we got Dominguez, and we got a green. Green shimmer. Pretty cool. Alright, so that was the first box. Alright, and there. The prospects and Wander Franco and Aaron Ashby. Alright, pipeline of the Dodgers. Don't know Jeter Downs, I know that name. Anderson, Hunter Green. These not prospects. I guess they are prospects, huh? There we go. Dolback and Baez. Robert Louis again. Nola. Austin Nola. And Logan Allen, rookies. Fan favorites of AJ Puck. Okay, prospects. Shortridge and Ian Anderson. And Alshon had a bunch of rookies and the prospects in that pack. That's interesting. Oh wow, there we go. Another Jason Dominguez scouting. Cool. India Amaya. Alright. And there. Grisham rookie. Prospect. Actually, again, these go over there. Blake Snell, Scherzer, Tuve, top 100, Jason Dominguez again. Wow. So in these two boxes, you get his rookie, his scouting, and top 100. Nice to hand me another base rookie, Kirlaw. Put those wrong. Last pack. Scouting, or what is this? Is that something? I don't know what that is, but Casey Mize. Prospects, Kate and Carlson. Gavin Lux rookie again. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Getting 3 different Dominguez in the boxes, and of course the base rookie. I'm gonna put all this in sleeve. I do want to complete the set and all that. So thank you all for watching.